Hello students, today we are going to discuss History Chapter 4, the Vedic Civilization questions and answers. Question number 1, filling the blanks. First, the dash are our oldest literature. The answer is Vedas. The dash was the first of the four Vedas. The answer is Rig Veda. The Vedas are also known as dash. The answer is Shruti. The Samaveda is considered to be the foundation of Indian dash. The answer is music. The Vedic people composed beautiful verses in dash Sanskrit. The Atharva Veda gives information on dash medical herbs. The system existed during the Vedic period. Joint family. Dash was a very popular ornament during the Vedic period. Nishka. Dash was the main occupation of the people in the Vedic period. Answer is agriculture. The definite and a regular pattern followed in nature is called Rita. Next, the dash was the head of the Janapad. Answer is Nripa. The farmer paid dash part of their produce to the king by way of tax and 1/6. In the early Vedic period, the Varnas were based on the people's dash occupation. Dash led to inequality in the society. Caste system. As the technique of performing yajna became complicated, yajna could not be performed without taking help from a priest. The most remarkable feature of the Vedic civilization is rich and diverse dash literature. Match the pairs. First, Gramini, head of a village. Vishpati, head of a group of villages. Bagdut collected taxes. Grihapati, head of the family. Next, Rigveda, verses in praise of forces in nature. Yajurveda, information about yajna. Samaveda, guidance on singing of the verses. Atharvaveda, solution to the problems in day-to-day life. Next question, name the following. The musical instruments you know. First one, harmonium, guitar. Second, two modern ornaments of women, bangles and necklace. Third, today's means of entertainment, television, adventure, sports. Next question, answer in one word. The language of Vedic literature, Sanskrit. Meaning of with, to know. The head of a family, Grihapati. The head of the Shreni, Shreshti. Next question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Rigveda, mantras uttered during yajna, false. Samaveda, guidance on singing a mantra during yajna rites, true. Atharvaveda, the Vedas derived its name from Atharva Rishi, true. Yajurveda, information about medical herbs, false. Upanishads, knowledge acquired by sitting at the feet of the gurus, true. Aryankas, works composed in forest, true. The most remarkable feature of the Vedic period was the Vedic literature, true. The Rigveda laid the foundation of Indian medicine, answer is false. The Sabha and Samiti were expected to exercise control over the king, answer is true. Next question, name the following with reference to the lesson. First, women scholars in the Vedic period, Gargi, Maitreyi and Lopamudra. Second, means of entertainment during the Vedic period, singing, playing musical instruments, dance and board games. Third, the four ashramas, Brahmacharya ashram, Grihastha ashram, Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyas ashram. Duration of each ashrama, 25 years. The thing offered into fire during yajna, Havi. Musical instruments of the Vedic period, Veena, Satatantu, cymbals, conches, damru and mridanga. Next, the works composed to explain the use of Vedas in rituals, Brahmanas. The principal officers of the king, Purohit and Senapati. The Vedic literature of the latter period, Smrutis and Puranas. Next question, answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what do you understand by the term Vedic civilization? Answer, Vedic civilization means the civilization of the people who composed the Vedas. Next, what is Samhita? The four Vedas are also known as Samhita. Next question, what is Richa? A verse in the Vedas is called a Richa. What is Sukta? A verse written in praise of God is known as Sukta. Praise means प्रशंसा करना भगवान की. What is Havi? The items offered in यज्ञ to प्लीज़ द फोर्सेस ऑफ नेचर आर कॉल्ड हवी. यानी कि नेचर के जो फोर्सेस है उनके लिए यज्ञ में जो है हवी कुछ भी डालना, जो भी आइटम्स डालते हैं उसको हवी कहा जाता है. What is yajna? A ritual performed by the priest by offering havi to please the forces of nature is called yajna. What is Rita? The regular pattern in nature was named as Rita by the Vedic people. What is Shreni? The artisans and the traders were called Shreni. Who is Shreshti? The head of Shreni, the guild Shreshti. How were the Vedas preserved initially? The Vedas were preserved initially by rote learning and passing the same from one generation to the next. Next question, whose name is connected with Atharva Veda? The name of the Rishi Atharva is connected with Atharva Veda. What is the meaning of the term Brahmanas? The Brahmanas were the explanation on the use of Vedas in the rituals. ब्रह्मन्यास जो क्या है, जो एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया जाता है वेदास के बारे में, उसको ब्रह्मन्यास कहा जाता है. What are the Aryankas? The Aryankas are the were composed in Aranya forest. What were the main duties of the king? The main duties of the king were protecting the subjects, collecting the taxes, and smoothly running the administration as the head of the state. Next question, which were the principal bodies during the Vedic period to provide guidance to the king? Sabha, Samiti, Vidhat and Jana were the principal bodies that provided guidance to the king during the Vedic period. What are the questions discussed in the Upanishads? The profound questions such as the creation of the universe and the nature of God is discussed in the Upanishads. State the name of the four Varnas in the Vedic period. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras were the four Varnas in the Vedic period. What gave rise to caste? The determination of Varna on the basis of birth gave rise to caste. What is the ashrama system? A systematic arrangement of an individual's life from birth to death is ashrama system. Next question, write about the emergence of the Hindu religion. First point, emergence of Hindu religion was a later development. Second point, it was a religion based on Vedas, Smritis, Puranas and local social customs. Next question is, answer the following questions in brief. First, what food items were included in the diet of the Vedic people? Answer, first point, barley and rice were the staple food of the Vedic people. Second point, their diet also included milk, yogurt, ghee, fruits, cereals and meat. Why were cows prized highly? First point, milk and milk products were important items of the diet of the Vedic people. Second, cow was a means or commodity of exchange, therefore cows were highly prized. Third question, what was a man expected to do in Sannyasa? Was the fourth and last stage in the life of man. Second point, at this stage, man was expected to sever all worldly relations and spend his time in meditation by going away to the forest. Next question, write about agriculture in the Vedic period. First point, agriculture was the main occupation of the people in the Vedic period. They plugged their field in an iron plug attached to oxen. Third point, they used cow dung as fertilizers. Fourth, they had a number of practices to protect the plants from the insect and the animal causing damage to their crops. Fifth question, write about the Shrenis. First point, the artisans like the chariot makers, carpenters, potters came together to form their Shrenis trade guilds. Second point, traders and other professionals too had their Shrenis. Third point, the head of the Shrenis was known as the Shreshti. Next question, explain the status of women in the Vedic period. First point, the Vedic society was patriarchal. Second, the references to learned women like Gargi, Maitri, Lopamudra in the Vedic literature indicates that women were allowed to take education. Third point, however, in the later Vedic period, stringent restrictions were imposed on women. Fourth point, their conditions worsened and as a result their status became secondary. Next question, write short note on the following. First, religious ideas during the Vedic period. First point, the Vedic period offered prayers to the forces in nature such as the sun, the rain, the rivers, lightning and storms to secure their blessings. Second point, they made ritual offering to the fire to secure favor from the forces in the nature. This ritual offering of Havi into the fire was called Yajna. Next point, the Vedic period believed that all things in nature follow Rita, that is a definite pattern. Next point, they believed that religion means to follow the rules of nature as any violation thereof lead to natural calamities. Next, houses in the Vedic period. First point, most people lived in houses of mud and wattle and tub. Second point, the walls and floors were plastered with mud and cow dung. Third point, they called their place of dwelling as griha or shala. Next question, political system in the Vedic period. First point, Gramini was the village headman. Second, Vishpati headed Vish, a group of villages. Third, a number of Vish constituted Janapad. Fourth, Ripa was the head of the Janapad. Fifth, the king appointed a number of officials to assist him in state administration. Senapati and Purohit were the most important officials of the king. Sixth, Bagdu has appointed to collect revenue. Seventh, Sabha Samiti Vid and Jana deliberated on state affairs and provided guidance to the king. Next, garments and ornaments in the Vedic period. First point, the Vedic people used cotton and woolen garments. Second, they used volcals made from the bark of the trees as well as garments made from the leather of the animals. Third, they wore strings of flowers, a variety of beads and bead strings, and also gold ornaments. Fourth, Nishka, a kind of pendant, was very popular among the Vedic period. Next question. Fifth, family in the Vedic period. First, joint family system existed in the Vedic period. Second, the Grihapati, the senior-most man, was the head of the family. Third, the status of women was secondary. Next, ashram vyavastha. First point, the ashramas were a systematic arrangement of an individual's life from birth to death. Second, there were 4 ashramas or stages in life. Third, in the first stage, that is Brahmacharya ashram, the individual devoted himself to studies and learning. Fourth, in the second stage, that is Grihastha ashram, he looked after his family and shouldered religious and social responsibilities. Fifth point, in the third stage, that is Vanaprastha ashrama, he handed over his responsibilities to his children and led to retire life. Sixth, in the fourth and the last stage, that is Sannyasashram, he spent his time in meditation. Next question, give reasons for the following statements. First, the most remarkable feature of the Vedic civilization is its literature. Answer, the most remarkable feature of the Vedic civilization is its literature because first, the people belonging to Vedic period composed beautiful verses in Sanskrit. Second point, this literature is rich and diverse. Third point, such rich and diverse literature is rarely found anywhere else. Second question, agricultural production increased in the Vedic period? Answer. First answer, agricultural production increased in Vedic period because first point, agricultural technique had improved. Second, oxen were yoked together to plough the fields. Third, iron tools, manure, insecticides and pesticides were used. Next question is, inequality emerged in the Vedic society. Answer. Inequality emerged in the Vedic society because first, the varnas came to be determined on the basis of birth rather than on the basis of occupations. Second, this gave rise to caste. Third, all castes did not enjoy equal social status. Next question, the position of women deteriorated in the later Vedic period. Answer. The position of women deteriorated in the later Vedic period because first point, in the patriarchal Vedic society, the status of women was secondary in the family. Next point, stringent social restrictions were imposed upon women. Next question, the Vedic people offered prayers to the forces in nature. Answer. The Vedic people offered prayers to forces in the nature because first point, the Vedic people were curious about the forces in nature such as the sun, the wind, the rain, the rivers, lightning and storms. Second point, they wanted to secure the blessings of these forces and win their favor. Next question, the Vedic people made offering to the fire. Answer. The Vedic people were offering to the fire because first, the idea of making offerings to the forces in nature in order to win their favor had become common. Second point, they believed that fire would act as an agency to take the offerings to these forces. Next question, importance of the priest increased in the Vedic period. Answer. Importance of priest increased in Vedic period because first point, the Vedic people believed that the ritual offerings in the yajna was necessary to secure the favor of the forces in nature. Second point, the technique of performing yajna became very complicated. Third point, the yajna could not be performed without taking help from a priest. Student, like, share and subscribe to my channel.